This video guide will give you instructions to remove the new ransomware that is called Aimnip. Aimnip. This is the ransomware type infection that currently attacks the majority of Windows computers. The ransomware called Aimnip adds a special extension to all the files that are encrypted by this particular ransomware. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay the special ransom for the file restoration. But in reality, paying the ransom does not guarantee that people would get their files back. So before the ransomware attack, definitely people are able to open their files without any problems. But in reality, after the ransomware attack is successful, people can no longer access their data. The data gets encrypted, and in fact, the random extension is added to the files. Depending on the particular file, as I said, the extension is random. And this is that scary message that the ransomware gives. It tells its victims to pay the ransom and contact the criminals using this email address, aimnip@viatokyo.jp. This is why the ransomware is called like that, because of this email address. But in reality, paying the ransom, as instructed by this scary alert, doesn't guarantee that people would get their files restored. So what we recommend you to do is to immediately remove this ransomware. Access the C drive, then go to Program Files, select Internet Explorer as probably the only available browser in this case. Download Combo Cleaner, install the application. Using this green download button, download the software, run the installer, then wait until the program is fully installed, and after that start the application. In order to start Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to implement certain tricks because you might not find the desktop icon of Combo Cleaner on the desktop. So go to the C drive again, select Program Files, then Combo Cleaner folder. Start Combo Cleaner application through this location and begin the checkup of your computer to detect, delete this ransomware and protect your files in the future. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.